That's my campsite. And I'm opening my tent. You can see my solar there. And what I'm doing right now, I am cooking. It's paneer tikka masala with a soup. You have to track using trails like that, not the roads that car goes. It's 12:30. I have some paneer tikka masala from the morning and chicken soup. You don't need to carry too much water with you. You will find water sources like that throughout the trail, or it's sunny now. It's getting darker. I'm still trekking through forest. Great. It's already dark and it started raining. Last night I stayed here. It cost 500 rupees, and but the food are expensive. Not too much, but expensive. It's a nice wooden structure. The toilet is common. You'll find another toilet in the downstairs. There are many rooms. In these there are 3 beds. And you can have a monastery and mountain view from the room. That's the property. There are some nice little dogs. It's raining and I have to start tracking in. They have hot water and the shed, and there's the eating area. The second bridge towards Bupsha. Finally the rain stopped.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from home.
Today I'm starting my track from Bupsa. Let's see how much we can cover. And the weather is cleared right now, and it will stay clear for next few hours, I think. So I'm starting early today. That's the weather right now. It's partially sunny.
Why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you.
The clouds are coming again.
Don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you
That's how I'm tracking. I have rearranged my bag, so the weight feels good now, and I'm getting my strength back. So I'm good to go, I think. I'm covering more distance in shorter period of time. The trail from Maps.me was longer, so some local told me to go follow this trail. It's nicely marked. I have to go up now. I bought some of this from Phakding. Took some water from this water source, and I always mix chlorine before drinking the water. I had to cross that. That's an abandoned bridge. আচ্ছা, এত সুন্দর ভিউর মধ্যে আসলে কি করতে হয়? এই রে, কাপড় কাচতে হয়। After going through muds for 2 hours, I have a resting place here. You can see the view. There's a trail to Surke.
nó mà vừa cái với cái là nhà xí là nó sẵn là đâu chả vô vô thì là nó không có bạn
Welcome to my 11th day in Nepal. I have started trekking from Surke this morning and I'm going towards Everest Base Camp and meet one of my new friend whom I met last night. He's
Yeah,
Abdul
hello.
Rahman from
Hello.
Saudi.
Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Nice to meet you on this trek.
It's completely raining. Looks like we're close to Lukla. You can see some houses from here. It's raining like crazy. Lots of flowers. And there are thunderstorms. It's just like a horror movie with rain, thunderstorm, and a fucking broken house. Finally, we are at Lukla airport, but I can see a shit. You can see somewhere there, that is the airport, but I can't see anything. We are finally at Lukla, but we have to track like 500 to 600 meters more. So let's keep going. Oh, where are you, Lukla airport? We are doing this today again. There's the chicken steak. How is it?
Wow, very tasty.
And there's a cozy place. So we are having creamy mushroom chicken soup at Hiker's Inn. Hello, welcome to the 13th day of adventure to Nepal. So last day I stayed at Lukla and I had to do some office work. So today I am starting my trek. For the first half I have been working and now for the rest of the day I'll be trekking. I have covered my office work. Let's see how it goes, and it's cloudy everywhere. We are at Hotel Hikers Inn and I think that's the best hotel in Lukla. You can stay here, they're nice people. Hello. I brought an umbrella today because it's raining heavily and I was wet in last few days. So we have started our trekking like 1 hour ago. Then we had some food, one ramen. Let's start our trekking today. It's around 2 kilometers after Lukla. It's raining again and you can see cloud everywhere. There's the trail. And there are multiple storied river. There's the bridge you have to cross from Lukla to Phakding. I just have crossed this. And here is Abdul Rahman coming. It's 6 p.m. and we have come to our rooms. So we trekked from Lukla to Phakding today.
I want to take the shower.
That's a cave. Good night view from the window.